on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're going to do some light reading, so let's dive right in. So we are getting this prompt because Moccasin doesn't know that the Anvil network is a local network, and it wants to make sure that we are aware that we are about to deploy to a live network. To bypass this prompt, we can add another parameter to the Anvil network configuration in the Moccasin.tamu file. We can say prompt live equals false. This parameter is called prompt live, and we will set it to false like I just said. This is what our network configuration looks like now. We have networks.envil, which is our network. We have our port number that's stored inside of our URL variable, as you can see here. We have saved to db equals false. Let them know that we don't want to save any information from the deployment. And you have the prompt live equals false here. Now, if we run the command again, we shouldn't see the prompt anymore, and our project should deploy to the Envil network without any issues. Note, at this point, we'll throw an error still, but that is because we aren't finished yet, but have bypassed the prompt. Also note the error we see has to do with the boa.network not being defined. Now, this is an error that we'll probably see a lot, and we can find more information about it in the common error section of the Moccasin documentation. We can visit the link provided previously to learn more about the common errors section. I'm going to leave it there for now. Like I said, we're going to take it slowly because it is only a read-only module, so we're going to take our time going step by step with this. We're going to pick it back up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.